Question. Ask me a question. Are you asking me? This your question is confusing. How do you say all this? Question means ajụjụ. Ajụjụ. Some will say ajụjụ, depending on what you are saying, alright? Ajụjụ. Can you say it? Ajụjụ. Ask me a question. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Are you asking me? Someone is telling you something, and you are not sure if the person is referring to you. Are you asking me? Ị na-ajụ m? Ị na-ajụ m? Or ị na-ajụ m ajụjụ? If you want to say it complete, alright? Ị na-ajụ m ajụjụ? Are you asking me a question? This your question is confusing. You're asking someone a question and it's not straightforward. You ask from right, you enter to the left, The question is not clear. And the person is telling you, this your question is confusing. Ajụjụ gị a gbagwojuru m anya. Ajụjụ gị a gbagwojuru m anya. Can you say it? Ajụjụ gị a or ajụjụ gị a gbagwojuru m anya. Good. Or ajụjụ gị a gbara m gharịị. Ajụjụ gị a gbara m gharịị. Igbo. Can you say it? Ajụjụ gị a gbara m gharịị. See you in our next lesson. Follow.